Okay, it's going. It's going. Hello.
It's not a weird angle. It should be more like right here. Look at her.
Yeah,
It,
but
like,
my hand will
matches.
shake.
It's like
Oh my gosh, it totally does. Is this good? Whew.
sure.
So, wait. We today are doing a FAQ, which is facts and questions, which is technically it's facts about us. So let's get started. We're gonna try to not make it boring because we've already taken this once and it was kind of twice. Okay, you start off.
Okay. Would you rather be a fish or a bird?
Bird, because birds eat fish.
But what about the fish that eat birds?
Oh. Well, I wouldn't want to be a shark, only because I'm definitely afraid of them.
So you'd be afraid of yourself. It's kind of like psychotic.
It's really sad, right?